Shonga came back to rescue them from the hostage situation. After receiving a picture from Amandla telling him to come back or else he's killing them, Biggie tried to stop him but insisted that he needs to go and save them. Kosi is also in Teflop in search of Shongwe, and Mr. Kulu's disappearance sends Mahonga into a panic. Mantle is shocked to hear that she's been housing a monster in her house. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Skim Sam. So Mantle begs Amandla ukuthi umakoti wami pregnant, please ungamlimazi. Amandla just melted after hearing that Uliz is pregnant and just wanted to take care of her. Told them to come and sit down and relax, offering her cushions. At some point, he even made her lunch so that she can eat because she's carrying a precious gift. Asala Nabaga says, Yazin, I want you guys to tell me everything. I'm not going to hurt anyone. Just tell me everything that you know about this Busopa Varot Kulu. Mandela starts explaining, just Tina, the picture that you showed me. Asmazulu Muntu lawyer. I don't know that person. Umuntu esimaziyo thina lo esihlala naye the one ohambile. But Baje, why did you let him go? Why did you let him leave? Esethi uyothatha inamba kaPavarotti. Athi we didn't know. Nathi besingazi ukuthi he's going to run away because Spusiso ran away pretending that he's going to get inamba kaPavarotti in his cottage. Kanti uyabaleka. And he couldn't get his car keys because they were in the kitchen. So he ran away like that. Now, Amandla wants to know ukuthi kwenzakalani ngathis Spusiso guy. Utlanda starts explaining ukuthi it seems like igama lakhe this guy kahle kahle uShongwe. This Spusiso Pavarotti is someone that he was in prison with. Even she heard from Lehasa ukuthi this guy was in prison, she didn't know, and that isandla sakhe sishile because some gangster leader bent his hand, but he lied and said he was saving a child from a burning car. So now Amandla wants to know why would he steal identity of umuntu. Now Amandla orders Utlanda to take her phone and phone Spusi is not picking up. Also went to hide Kukwini ka Biggie. Now Big is like, but what were you thinking, stealing identity of a man, of such a dangerous man? That's something I would never do because what should Shong is like, what do I do in this situation? I can't even get my keys. I need to think of a way to go in there and get my keys. We can just go there and get the keys. But what if you're just running away? This guy is a brother, Pavarotti. I can see me now. If there's one thing prison has taught me is that umuntu onikela igazi uyambona esezakude. Now this guy has made lunch for Ulizi so Lizzie can eat because Ulizi is pregnant but did not make for the others and ordered her because she must eat. Now he's explaining this was so Pavarotti Kulu beat up someone and wheelchair. This person was in a coma for 2 years. So Yana is there to do his job to give justice to the voiceless. So when are you here to pay revenge for that family last year? The way he was smiling when he was explaining the description in Steven's work. Now Mr. Kulu, Ushongwe is panicking. How will I get Amakia wami? Let's just Biggie suggest that they must just go and break in because Biggie, you cannot stay here forever when. Do you think I enjoy ukuhlala eTshotshombeni lakho wena? Do you think I enjoy ukuhlala eTshotshombeni? Now I'm used to my aircon. Kanjani Spusiso when you've been in prison for so long? Now Usha was trying to think what can he do to get Kozena does not want to break in and go back to prison. And then he gets a message. When he looks, he finds that Amandla sent him a picture of Utlanda Nolizi Nomantuli sitting, telling him he needs to be back in an hour or else uyababulala. And their blood will be in his hands. Now he's panicking with, Kosiyamu. And then Susa's like, no, I need to go and save my family. But Big is like, nope, you're not going anywhere. There's no way you are risking your life for those strangers. This is just a trap. And they're not strangers. The family Lepela also saw like his own family abandoned him when he went to prison. So Mantul has welcomed him like his own son. And ngapha kune girlfriend yakhe lapha. These people are not strangers. Kunentombi yami lapha umalanga wakhe uDlenda. And Umantul is like a mom to him. So obviously it's his family. It's like, no, I have to go and save them. I jump ushoti ahlale emnyango athi no, you're not going anywhere. I'm not going to let you go for just risk your life for just people you've seen, you've known for a few months. I receive another text at TikTok. Yo, so started panicking. Avela qukule ushoti amlahle embhedeni amshaye and tries to run away. Ushoti naye does not want to give up. The next thing Ushoti is holding on to his foot, trying to drag him not to leave. Agcine semkhahlela ke uMesequlu and left. Kani ngapha endlini Amandla is now telling Glenda ukuthi uyabona this person that you think uyakuthanda, this person does not love you. Uphi manje if he loves you, because I sent him a message ukuthi I'm killing you guys but he's still not here. And then he starts to take care of Lizzie, asking her if she needs a cushion, is she okay, alright yini. Lizzie's like, yeah, I'm okay, but I need to go to work, because Lizzie, it was in the morning, Lizzie was preparing to go to work, but this whole thing just happened and now she's stuck. At him, they're going to start to wonder where I am. I need to go, else they're going to come here. As if they come, they're going to join our party. Ngapha Nkosi is already in Teflop looking for Ushongwe, and went to Tef High because Ket told him go to uSbusoxolo usebenza at Tef High. Then he goes there at Bugana no Shongwe. They tell him go to the Siakamelas, Mama Pretty Siakamela. That's where he lives. The next time Ushongwe is knocking Kamantuli. But Amandla told them to keep quiet and not say anything. He kept knocking. Hey, Nkosi, I'm from Joburg. I'm looking for uSbusoxolo. He ordered them to keep quiet, Shem Kesana, and they're thinking, Shem, this person could save us. Ati manje, do you know these people? Oban. Umantu is like, we don't even know them. They're from Joburg, Aspazi. And then, Ati now I need to send a message because this person is not coming. Avela sukuma Amandla and grabs Glenda. Throws her to the other couch and points a gun at her. Yo, bangasakhali uGlenda, angazahayizi oMantuli. Mantuli then starts kumthakazela. Ngeyithakazelo zakhe udubazana, uAmandla dubazana ebhizi yeyi ebantwini. Yazi, like she kept going and going emthakazela athi ngiyaqela mfana wami athi yazi wangithakazela kamnandi mama. But I'm so sorry, I need to do this because my reputation depends on it, because this is his job. I think uyinkabi. So if he does not do what he has to do, then reputation yakhe izosafara. Yo, the way they were begging him, they were even kneeling down with Glenda noMantuli saying, please don't do this. Ungayenzi lento. The next thing they hear a knock on the door. uSbusiso is like, hey, leave them alone. This is between you and I. Bayeke, please. Bayeke, please don't hurt them. Ahambe kavula umnyango athi, who are you with? Athi ndo ndindedwa. Avela mdonsa uSbusiso angena endlini and checks ukuthi is he indeed alone. Angena uSbusiso at uSbusiso asathi uyaqhaza ukuthi what his name is. Avela to uSbusiso Pavarotti Xulu uShongwe awuze la. Now he wants to give him a hug. Kanjani? The way he's panicking, uSbusiso does not even have a gun on him. And he tries to bring him closer, and then he starts pointing the gun at him. Now they're crying again. Olizo noMantuli, oh my word, he's going to kill him, he's going to shoot him. Obviously, this guy wants to just to chat and find out what do you know about this Busoxolo that he's looking for, because obviously this is not Xulu, Ushongwe. Now he's panicking. Now Lizzie bayakhala. Imagine Glenda no Lizzie, Shem the trauma. I hope she does not lose her baby over this whole thing, because it would be so unfair. Skin Sam would be so unfair if they let her suffer, like if they let her kwenzeka into kanje. Ngapha uSithokozela is called uKwaito to tell him ukuthi she's been trying to call his mom, but uma wakhe akabambi phone, so she's worried. And uKwaito no Tiwos, they were about to be going to a meeting. They were at Kepsis. Kwaito decides, you know what, let me just go home. Kwaito does not even know Lizzie did not manage to go to work. She's also stuck in Lini, trapped, held hostage. I said, no, let me go home and check on her, because now Sithokozela is filled in Kwaito. Yay, when I see this guy who is very dangerous, apparently he's beat up a man and landed him in a wheelchair. So nje, Kwaito decides, you know what, let me just go home and see if Mama Shapu na. Yo, now come on, Alfred Mahong was busy phoning Mr. Xulu. He's busy phoning Ushongwe. Hey, when I'm guy, where are you? Do you know what's going on here? You can't just disappear like this, man. The department is going to wonder. You can't just disappear if the department is going to start asking questions, and we don't want that. I think, Alfred does not know what he's gotten himself into, because he sold the post to Mr. Xulu. That's why background checks were not done. And now he's going to be in trouble, because all these scandals are going to come up. So it's going to come out because he sold the post. That's why Evelyn was kept in the dark about who's getting employed and who's not. Stoko finds him jumpy and is like, why are you so jumpy? What's going on? And then Mr. Q comes, Leah, and hey, Night, do not want to say anything because he threatened me. Look at what I found. This guy is dangerous. This guy is not, I don't know what's happening, but this guy is not who he says he is. Now Stoko, they're looking at the thing here. This guy once beat up someone. Do you see how this whole thing looks now? Because it's Umakong is going to get into trouble for things that he does not even know, because why did he sell the position to Mr. Xulu. That's why Evelyn was left out. Now Evelyn, while she gives up on her mission to dethrone Alfred, his actions are going to dethrone him himself. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.